Nozzle height position adjustment. Select picking setting. Then open the controller tool. Move the nozzle over the product. Move above the product. Down the Z-axis. The suction nozzle is attached to the product. Just touch the product. Check what is the height of the Z-axis. This Z-axis height, put it to Z1. Eight nozzles. Same change. The same as the suction nozzle one. Sink all down. Then save it after changing it. Okay, confirm. That's it. 8 suction nozzles are changed for same picking height. Placing height adjustment. Select placing setting. This is the placing height. Open the controller. Move the XY axis. Z-axis descends. Nozzle height is 0.1 or 0.2 mm higher than the carrier tape. Big products can be higher. Small products should be close to the carrier tape. We need to see what the height is. What is the actual height? Then enter the height into this area. Save after changing. If it is a new template, need to set several parameters. The first is front and back empty sealing quantity. And set how many products will be sealed for one reel. Set according to the actual production plan. If it is a big roll empty carrier tape, set here how many reels to produce. This is the number of pinholes corresponding to each component. Each carrier may have different pinholes. Set according to the actual number of pinholes. Now it is a big product. Cavity pith is 4 pinholes. This is the location of CCD4. How to set the location of CCD4? The arrow is pointing at this cavity. Counting from next cavity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The arrow is aimed at this one. There are 11 products in total. Fill in 11 here. It means, before each reel is produced, there are 11 empty cavities, no need to take pictures. This is XYR axis compensation. When there is a suction nozzle placing component incorrectly. When the component cannot be put into cavity. It is biased left and right or front and rear. We are going to compensate it through this compensation. XYR is the X-axis and Y-axis and angles. X to increase is to go this way, go right. X decreases and goes this way, left. The y-axis increases and goes down, outside. Y-axis decreases and goes up, inside. Change this parameter according to the actual situation. On picking setting interface, minimum picking quantity. 1 means that machines start picking after 1 component recognized. 4 means that 4 components must be identified before moving to pick. There are 8 nozzles below. If there is a need for an unused suction nozzle, it can be shielded. If you use 4 nozzles now, select 4 nozzles. If you need to use 4 nozzles below, you select 4 below. If all use, then select all. Same for compensation. If there is a picking offset, it can be compensated by the XY axis and angle. X, Y, angle,